Women's sports are experiencing a remarkable surge in popularity, and it's thrilling to witness. Just look at the recent events that have captured the world's attention. The FIFA Women's World Cup was a monumental success, showcasing not just the incredible talent of female athletes but also the passion and dedication they bring to their sport. The matches were electrifying, and the level of skill on display was nothing short of inspiring. It's clear that women's football is not just a sideshow anymore, it's a main event. Then there's Coco Gauff, who made history at the US Open. Her victory wasn't just a personal triumph, it was a statement. At just 19 years old, she has become a role model for countless young girls, proving that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. Gauff's win has sparked conversations about the importance of supporting young female athletes and investing in their futures. It's a reminder that the next generation is ready to take the stage, and they deserve every opportunity to shine. The upcoming Paris Olympics is another exciting milestone. The focus on gender parity is not just a buzzword, it's becoming a reality. For the first time, we'll see equal representation in terms of events and athletes. This commitment to gender equality is a powerful message that resonates beyond the sports arena. It sends a clear signal that women's sports are here to stay, and they're deserving of the same attention and respect as their male counterparts. As we witness these achievements, it's essential to recognize the impact they have on society. The growing interest in women's sports is not just about the games, it's about changing perceptions. Brands and sponsors are starting to take notice, realizing that investing in women's sports is not just a good deed, it's a smart business move. The audience is expanding, and with it, the potential for growth is immense. Companies are beginning to understand that aligning themselves with women's sports can enhance their brand image and connect them with a diverse and passionate fan base. Moreover, the media coverage of women's sports is improving, which is crucial for visibility. More airtime means more fans, and more fans mean more investment. It's a cycle that feeds into itself, creating a robust ecosystem for women athletes. The stories of these athletes, their struggles, and their triumphs deserve to be told, and as they gain more visibility, we can expect to see even more young girls inspired to pursue their dreams in sports. Let's not forget the community aspect of women's sports. The camaraderie among female athletes fosters a sense of belonging and empowerment. It's about lifting each other up and breaking down barriers together. This spirit of solidarity is infectious and is helping to create a culture where women support women, both on and off the field. In conclusion, the momentum behind women's sports is undeniable. With landmark events like the FIFA Women's World Cup and the Paris Olympics, we are witnessing a transformative era. The achievements of athletes like Coco Gauff are not just personal victories, they are milestones for all women. As interest and investment continue to grow, we can look forward to a future where women's sports are celebrated, supported, and valued just as much as men's sports. The journey is just beginning, and it's going to be an exciting ride.